Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. This is 2H Combo. Today is Sunday of the Thanksgiving. I just got up and look around in my front yard garden. I'm gonna show you there is a papaya that is ready on the tree, so I'm gonna pick it. Okay, let's go take a look. These two papaya trees are about 2 years old, so they are pretty tall. In general, papaya plants are very efficient. They continue to fruit and give you a lot of papayas to eat. So for example, this one has at least 10 or so papayas, and then the same thing with this one. I already picked maybe 4 or 5. I gave some to my neighbor, and also I ate a few of them. I made some papaya salads also. So this one right here, this one looks like it's yellow a little bit, so I can pick this one. But since it's so tall, I need a step ladder right here. Okay, so whenever you pick a papaya, there's gonna be some sap coming out, and I don't like that. So what I do, I just twist. Would be nice if I have something to cut it right there. And you see, and the sap is dripping. Also, if you're sensitive, that sap can burn your skin actually. This one will be ready in probably a couple of days. We'll see. As I mentioned, papaya plants are pretty efficient, so I would recommend people to plant papaya. If you are in the right climate, they will give you plenty of fruits to eat. Also, the way you can tell if it is ripe or about to ripe, when you break off the stem, there is no sap coming out or hardly any. If it's more ripe, then there's hardly any, but this one is not there yet. That's why there's a little bit of sap coming out. But at any rate, by the color, it's on its way, so it's a good time to pick. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.